For the third year in a row, we have birds making a nest right on our front porch. And while you can't see them peeking above the nest, if you look below here, you definitely can see all the droppings. The strange thing about this is our front door. This is the door we use every single day. And this is the door that our 3 cats go in and out when they want to go outside. But somehow this mama bird thinks it's a safe place to make her nest, and maybe she's right. My cats have never gotten any of her baby birds. And as you can see by our doorbell, our little cat angel, definitely a cat-friendly house. This is Peep, my son's cat. This here is Kitten, also known as Gidget. There she is. She's really no longer a girl midget. She's put on some weight as she's aged. She's now 8 years old. Say hi, Kitten. Say hi. This is Coco, my lap cat. Coco will be 20 years old in October. Here are the adorable babies.